This is my weekly forecast, a weekly prediction of the higher time frame. What's my higher time frame drawing liquidity? What am I looking at the 12 months, 3 months, monthly, weekly, daily, right? So a higher time frame rather than shorter time frame, right? Because this is much important than you trading the lower time frame. Because as you guys know, if you're not using the higher time frame, you're gambling, right? Simple as that, man. If you do, the only the shorter time frame you're doing is all you're doing in a shorter time frame on like 4 hour time frame, you're positioning do it again. You're positioning yourself to the higher time frame, auto flow, right? Because if you do the lower time frame, if you're trading a 4 hour time frame auto flow, 4 hour time frame drawing liquidity, you're basically gambling without drawing the higher time frame. The higher time frame could be daily and above, right? But if you don't know that, then you're going to be basically gambling, right? As you guys know, right? How ICT himself says it, right? How Romeo himself says it, right? So now let's go to a 12 months time frame. Our 12-month time frame, our CRT low got already souped this month, right? You can see this month our CRT low got souped. So my drawn liquidity for this 12-month time frame is from the CRT low to the CRT high, right? The 50% mark as well, but the 50% mark usually market will go to the all to the full end, right? Because right over here, the CRT low of this 12-month time frame got souped. That means now at the 12-month CRT low got souped. Now we're gonna go to the high, right? So CRT low got souped. This is short-term liquidity. This is our long-term liquidity, right? So now let's go we'll go to the 3 month time frame to get a more sharper narrative, right? So 12 month time frame, basically the yearly chart. Our CRT low got souped, so now we're heading to the CRT high, which is all over here. On a 3 month, what do we have here? On a 12 month, we do have a key level for this as well. Our key level for this would be considered as this ERL, right? And plenty of other stuff here as well. It could be this ERL, it could be this rejection block, right? For 3 months, we have a more clear bias here, clear vision, right? On the 3 month time frame, this is our 3 month key level for the CRT. You can see on the 3 month, our CRT low got souped. At the CRT low, we're going to CRT high, right? That's right over there. So now I'll go to the monthly for even more sharper narrative here, right? On the monthly, what do we have here? We have this monthly fair value gap as our key level for this monthly CRT. This monthly CRT right over here. This monthly CRT, which is the 3 months, which is the 12 months, is our this key level for the monthly plays on our monthly as well, right? So our monthly time frame, our short term got met after short term liquidity going back to the long term, right? So basically on the monthly, we're going as well as a monthly IRL to ERL. What else do we have in a monthly time frame? If you go play close attention, we do have a monthly discounted PD array, right? You can see this PD array was in premium. So what did the market do? Do you want to buy in premium, right? Or do you want to buy in premium or sell in premium, right? So this you can see market went from a monthly ERL to IRL, which is from a premium to the discount. That makes way more sense, right? From here, from a discount to premium, right? Makes way more sense, right? So we're going from a monthly IRL to ERL. So now we have a clear vision, right? You can see the monthly time frame can go from a IRL to IRL. It wouldn't make sense, right? So market, in my vision, is going from a monthly IRL to ERL, right? And this is basically all my opinions, right? This is how I think. I don't know where the market will go. Just my opinions, right? So just let you guys know, people who I don't decide where the market wants to go. I just see, in my opinion, because based out of the concept, right? And the weekly, now we have a more sharper narrative, right? You can see weekly, we're going from weekly ERL to IRL. You can see how the weekly is aligning with the month is aligning with the 3 month, right? And the 3 months align with the, all the way till 12 months, right? The 12 months goes over here, right? So you can see monthly, we're going as well, monthly IRL to ERL, right? And as well, what else do we have here? Our weeklies align with our monthly. You can see weekly ERL to IRL, as well as we're going to have a weekly CRT here, right? CRT. As you guys know, market needs to go purchase the CRT low before it's purchasing high, right? Short-term liquidity, long-term liquidity, right? If I'm bearish in this case, it would be first would be the short-term liquidity, eventually long-term liquidity, right? So market, you guys know, market has a short-term and a long-term, right? So now let's go to the daily to have even more in-depth, right? So daily time frame, we're going from weekly time frame, we go from what? Weekly ERL to IRL, right? As well as a weekly CRT. So after this weekly ERL to IRL, after CRT gets met, we're looking for probably another fair value to get tapped into, go higher or whatever, right? or does this fair value get inversed? After this inversion, we're going to the ERL to the high that creates that, you know what I'm saying, that creates this fair value gap, right? So we're gonna go to the swing high or high that creates fair value gap, right? Before we get too ahead, let's talk about the daily, right? Because we're not there yet, right? I don't have enough data, so this is why I'm doing this every week, right? To give updates. And a daily, how are we going to meet the short-term liquidity is very simple. So you can see on the daily time frame what the market do, it tapped the weekly ERL as well as the daily ERL, right? After this daily ERL, what's the next goal, right? Back to IRL, right? You can see this IRL right over here on the daily time frame would cause a IRL to ERL, from this ERL go back to IRL. Eventually, that's that once the market meets back to this weekly and this daily objective here back, we could go based on the weekly then, right? We could go back to get an inversion, go to the high that crazy, which is all the way down here, right? Eventually from here to here and eventually on in, right? You can see our schedule. I see how you can see how our daily time frame is aligned with the weekly. You can see our daily time frame is gonna head to the weekly, right? So yeah, this is what I'm looking at. And yeah, let's go give one more tab. Let's go give another recap of everything we just went through, right? On a 12-month time frame, what do we have? Our 12-month, our safety low got tapped, so short-term liquidity got met. After short-term liquidity is met, we go to the long-term, right, which is all over here. That's CRT high. On the 3-month, what do we have? We have a key level for the 3-month CRT, and as well as a CRT low got met. The CRT low go to the CRT high, which is over here. On the monthly, we have a monthly IRL to ERL as well as a monthly discount key level for this monthly CRT, right? And we're going from monthly IRL to ERL. You can see is all over here to the 12 months. You can see how they're aligning because what we give false, but I have my own opinions, right? And this is a higher time frame. It should be easy. It should be easier for us to predict the higher time frame, right? Because you know, higher time frame is way much easier. There's less candle, right, to read through, right? On the weekly ERL to IRL as well as a weekly CRT. So how I want to go to the weekly CRT low, short-term liquidity, eventually from short-term to the long-term, right? How are we gonna do that? From a daily IRL to ERL. So daily is our intermediate time frame. So basically our short-term liquidity, our time frame is the weekly and the above, right? So how are we gonna get to short-term liquidity? From a short-term drawn liquidity, right? So IRL to ERL, from its ERL back to IRL, and eventually go from the weekly basis and see how the project do it. Because right now I don't know what's gonna happen, but I do know how we're gonna get up to down here. Eventually from here go up here, right? This is my market forecast of the upcoming week, the upcoming months, the yearly basis, right, as well. But I'm gonna have more updates throughout the week. I mean, not throughout the week, throughout the month, right, and months and on end, and the weeks and on end, right. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. If you guys are new, watch it. Join the Discord, join the family, join the make sure like, subscribe, comment, whatever we're gonna do, right? Share, and yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.